Sniff it. Sniff it.
Audio Jungle.
How do you sit down when wearing a suit? A. Do you unbutton when sitting down? How do you sit down when wearing a suit?
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend. And she is the mom.
The fuck, guys?
Anybody else come home after a long day and take a nap, but you're kind of afraid to take a nap because then you might not be able to sleep during the night when you wake up, or you might sleep throughout the whole night. You never know. But yeah, I hate waking up. Like, if I take a nap, I hate waking up 3 hours later and then can't sleep at night. I hate that shit. But
Green Lantern. Coba dah.
I am 30 years old, and I'm from Washington, D.C. My name is Antoine.
Baby, go and look. go and let's say turn it off. Soju. Le pasa jamás.
Midnight here in New York, and it's my birthday. I am officially old. It's midnight.
يلا فوق. يلا يلا فوق. يلا يلا فوق. فوق فوق. ايوه ايوه ايوه. Sniff it. Sniff it. ولا بيتضارب بعد. يلا فوق. يلا
Chevy family.
What's your deepest, darkest secret? I have a girlfriend who is a police officer. When she misses me, she just comes to arrest me in the presence of my wife and takes me away. Then she brings me back the next day and tells my wife, we are not done yet with the investigation. I'll pick him up anytime we want more from him. And my innocent wife will always say, Madam, God bless you for handling my husband's case with such care. I will make sure he's available anytime you need.
Wow.
Bro!
The plot of that is thick. Wow.
What's your deep...
Parou por causa de nós, será? Disfarça. Ele tá olhando? Não, ele tá olhando. Ele não parou por causa de nós. Olha lá, ó. Vai. Viu? Põe. Não pode. Não, tá errado. Meu Deus, vai pegar o megafone aqui, ó. Ô, Serginho, vem.
Gonna say because most of the time they're wrong, and so just like to let me like finish my thoughts and sentences, complete like what they think I'm gonna.
Fuck, if you record, you can record and record it to anybody. I can do whatever the fuck I want. They call me Beast Betty. Oh, Beast Betty if you nasty.
I want. Fuck. Fuck me. Fuck.
Have you ever been to SeaWorld?
Nah. No, a lot of people. I actually watched the documentary on SeaWorld.
What was
on
it
how
called?
they were.
What's it called, Zach?
Blackfish.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah. It was
What
a
are they-
whole.
It's about like how they
It's a whole fucked
keep
up
the
It's how-
whales in captivity.
Yeah.
It's how they treat blackfish, dude. That's fucking unreal, bro. Is that what it's about?
Yeah,
What the fuck?
that is. Yeah, it's called Blackfish.
Damn, bro.
You see?
Right, y'all can't even
It's not
catch a
just-
break
it's not just
underwater,
humans.
dog.
It's not just humans. Yeah, man.
Dang,
we going
bro,
through
this shit is
Yeah,
fucked
we going through this shit everywhere, bro. Yeah, we can't catch a break, man.
Damn, bro.
Vizir, gel.
nie będzie.
The shit you see out of state, a dead raccoon, and somebody to put a motherfucking get well balloon on his dead motherfucker. What the?
What are you doing? What the fuck's that?